Well, hello there. I'm Pete LaFrance, the old Growler. Welcome to Meeting Expectations. What we do here is we take a look at a can of beer there. Sometimes spirit or wine will drop by. We're all friends in fermentation. We take a look at the label. We read everything that's on the label. We take a look at the artwork. We see what they're trying to sell us. We crack it open and see if it meets expectations. Now, there's 3 steps to our tasting here. First of all, you will note every single beer gets tasted with the same style of glassware. That way nobody has a leg up when it comes to clarity or aromatics. Speaking of aromatics, most people when they do tastings, what they do is they take a look at the beer, they sniff the beer, sip the beer, and then let you know what they think. Well, I do things a little bit differently. What I do is I sip the beer first. Why? I'll let wine expert Fred Dex explain it all to you. He does it a lot better than I do. And finally, all beers should be served at the correct temperature. Ales, they should be 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Lagers, 37 to 47 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to know what temperature your beer should be served at? Click on the banner right up there and I'll let you know. Okay, the folks at Thermapen, they sent me their lollipop thermometer. That's what I use to check the temperature of all of my beers. There is a link in the description box below for more information. All right, what do we have here today? We have from the KCBC Brewing Company, that is the Kings County Brewers Collective here in Brooklyn, New York. We have their Dynamite Evolution Hazy IPA. And it's got a picture of a, looks like very powerful type of superwoman type person there. And they got another type of super type woman person, 2 women type people there, and all kinds of good thing. And kind of a feline fighter there, all these kind of superheroes on here. Oh yeah, it is a Pink Boots Collaborative Brew Day, International Women's Day. All right, there is probably a backstory to that, which I will look into, and it will be down in the description box. And what else do they tell us here? All right, it is a hazy India Pale Ale. This is the 2022 Pink Boots Hop Blend, HBC 586, which is a ecunot and Lorelei, plus Citra, barley, oats, and wheat, 6.9% alcohol by volume, store cold, drink fresh. The information on there is a little obscure, so I will again put it in the description box. Packaged and brewed by the Kings County Brewers Collective, 381 Troutman Street, Brooklyn, New York, 11237, canned on February 27, 23. Today is the 16th of March, 23, so it is right fresh. All right, it is independent. The Brewers Association says that it is an independent brewery. And it simply says it's a hazy IPA. So, and I think what it is the hops, the hop thing here is apparently the 2022 Pink Boot Hops Blend. There's a special hop blend that is in here. So this is a salute to the Pink Boot, all the women brewers here in the United States of America. And I salute you, absolutely. Well, let's crack this open and see what we're going to find. We're going to find something that is a hazy IPA with some very interesting hop profile. All right. Here we go. Okay, it's a hazy IPA. There's no doubt about that. Boy, that is an effervescent one. Whoa, all right. Well, since it is an IPA, the ideal temperature should be between 50 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's take a look. 49 degrees Fahrenheit. So it is right at the edge, which means maybe we need a little to sit there just for a second or two to see if the flavors develop anymore. We don't want to lose any of the flavors there. All right, well, it does look like a hazy IPA, no doubt about that. All right, let's see if it tastes like a hazy IPA. And I'm very, very interested in the hop profile, whether it's more aromatic or whether it is more in the flavors. All right, cheers. You'll notice I took 2 sips. The first one was kind of an acclimation sip. My taste buds, most of the time, they're not paying any attention to me. They're just hanging out and waiting for another tasting, actually. And when it comes along, they're a little slow, so I have to wake them up. So that was what I just did. I woke them up. All right, first nosedive. Wow. Wow. It is a very interesting aromatic profile. I'm going back in again. I'm getting some melon, not so much watermelon, but cantaloupe or honeydew melon. It's not a sharp aroma, but it is certainly a, oh wow, it's a cross between herbal and floral. It is let's see what the taste buds have to say about it. I could throw around words like mango and papaya and all that kind of good stuff, but no, it's not an easily identifiable. But I tell you something, it's an incredibly lush, full-bodied, pleasant beer. The balance is right there. As you can see, that it has got some great lace on there. It is a pure white head. It is a hazy one, a little bit orange in color, but wow, it's I'm kind of glad it billed itself simply as a hazy IPA and made me go look for the hop combination, because this is a most pleasant thing. It is a great first of all, I'm a big fan of KCBC. I'm sure if you click up on the banner right above my little head there, that there will be a banner connecting you to the KCBC playlist. So I'm a big fan of theirs, and this did not disappoint. And as I say, I'm going to really have to look up the hop combinations on this. So, does Dynamite Evolution Hazy IPA from KCBC meet expectations? It certainly does. If you enjoyed this production, please click on the subscribe button and the thumbs up. Appreciate a comment, and a share would be really great. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.